Okay, ladies
Got
and
it.
gentlemen, we're back for our third and final video on pronouncing our template. A simple template for using different verbs. We're using mujhe and hey. We're sticking a verb in the middle. If you need more details, go back to the first video and check it out. So we're going to do this. Pragya and I are going to, we're going to give this a shot. Okay, so the word is parna. Parna.
मुझे फाड़ना है फाड़ना है
Parna hai. Parna hai. Parna hai. Okay, the next one. The next one is torna.
You continue.
The next one, you have to make the little thing go down, the next screen.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Torna. Mujhe torna hai. That means to break. So if I have to break something, I say mujhe torna hai.
तोड़ना है तोड़ना
The next one. Sochna. Now this one you can use. This one you can use. Mujhe sochna hai. Mujhe sochna hai. That means I have to think.
सोचना
Sochna.
सोचना
Sochna. Mujhe sochna hai. Okay, next one is dekhna. To see. I have to see. I have to see. Mujhe dekhna hai.
देखना है
Yeah. See, if Pragya doesn't jump in, that means my pronunciation was at least acceptable. Okay. Banana.
But this one was good.
Yeah? Okay. Banana. Mujhe banana hai.
मुझे बनाना है बनाना है
Banana hai. Okay. Okay. Pechna. Pechna means to send. I have to send you a letter. I have to send you something. So I'm going to say, Mujhe bechna hai. No.
Okay.
No.
Wait. If you say bhejna, it's kind of wrong. You don't have to do the ej. You just have to do bhejna, not bhejna. It's bhejna. Also, don't say
Bechna.
bechna. Don't say bechna. Bechna means to sell.
Okay, I'll sell you something then. Bechna hai. Bechna hai.
We need to hear the J instead of CH. Bhejna instead of bhej.
Bechna.
Yes.
Yay. Okay. Katna. Mujhe katna hai. I have to cut something.
It's similar to cut, right? But don't aspirate it. Just say काटना मुझे
Katna.
काटना है
Mujhe katna hai. Mujhe katna hai.
Okay, close enough.
Okay.
Next.
Dorna. Mujhe dorna hai. I have to run. See ya. Mujhe dorna hai.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I get the joke. No, the audience won't get the joke, but okay. दौड़ना
Dorna. Mujhe dorna hai. Okay. Dekna. No, dikna. Dikna. Mujhe dikna hai. I have
No.
to show you something. Dikna hai.
No. दिखाना
Mujhe dikhana hai.
दिखाना
Dikhana. Dikhana. Mujhe dikhana hai.
मुझे yes
Mujhe dikhana hai. Hasna. I like hasna because hasna is fun. Hasna just means to
Hasna.
laugh. So I have to laugh.
Yes.
Mujhe hasna hai.
Not hasna
Hasna. Mujhe hasna hai.
हंसना है मुझे हंसना है I have to laugh.
I have to laugh. Mujhe hasna hai. Is that all of them? Is that the 10 of them?
Oh yeah.
A simple template to help you learn Hindi. Let's put up our like, subscribe, and share thingy so everybody will know they should do that.
Okay.
So, like, subscribe, and share. This is JD and
Pragya. And comment.
Pragya.
Comment down below.
Comment.
Whatever you want to see.
Say nice things about us. Say nice things about us. And I think that's it. Let me close the magic button and we can be out of here.